Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of a Beyblade Burst Turbo. What's the name? Slingshot. And Shock. There's two bays that, yeah, my box got destroyed, but yeah. Anime accurate bays. Wonder Valtrek. Standard colors and Z Achilles. So yeah, and the stadium, the Slingshot Stadium. But yeah, let's go and do unboxing. Oh, sorry about this. Whoa, sorry about that, guys. So you guys can see bays and what's on this side. The other bays that were released. Okay, let's go. Okay, here's the Slingshot Stadium. Ooh, the box stinks. Here's the bays. I do that. Here's the Slingshot Stadium. It looks pretty cool. I like the stadium now. So the stadium for battles in here. Okay, where's my knife? I moved my knife. Sure. Okay. Well, I'll just have to use my work knife because I just got off of work. Let's move you guys down a little bit. You can see a lot better. There we go. Wow. Let's go. Straight ripcord launchers. Here's the parts right here. I'll do these in a few. Let's get to the anime accurate bays. Yeah, these actually look good. I like these, even though they're plastic, not metal. Let's do the main character in this one. Okay. 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 Here's the tip. Slingshot mode. Okay, here's 11. There we go. And now here's the Achilles. That looks cool as hell. And here's the code for that. Oh, my knee just hurt popped. Oh, this one's a lot stiffer than the last one. But yeah, Z Achilles. I'm really wondering what they're going to do with the mode change ability for him. And of course, the the launcher. Now let's go to my favorite character, Voltahoy. There's his tip, there's Volcanic. Boom. But, oh yeah. I really can't wait to use these in a battle. If you're wondering why I have long sleeves on, because it's cold and also I literally just got home from work. Here's 12. It is around 7 something at night right now. And here's Voltahoy's Bay. And here's the code. Oh shit. Oh wow. Jeez, that's... Oh jeez. Voltoy is extremely stiff. But yeah. Let me get all the parts here. Okay, there and there. Now you're all seeing all other beta YouTubers do, but I'm gonna show you me. Yeah, I'll show me building the stadium. Okay, there we go. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. Okay, here we go. Now I do a few test spins for these guys in each part. Oh yeah, that's sturdy. Okay, let's go. Ooh, slingshot. Yes. Yeah, I will be using my Hasbro like anti-combi launcher. Okay. Now let me get the lid. Put it on here for you guys. This actually looks pretty cool. Oh, I forgot some pieces. Don't you guys hate when that happens? You forget your pieces? Okay. Okay. There we go. Let me put these good. Oh shit. Oh, there they are. Okay. Let's go do this. This is a really cool stadium. I love the colors too. I need to definitely pick that up. Don't think I want to step on that. Okay, hold up. Okay, there we go. There's the anime stadium. Let's do rubber mode for these guys. Okay, burst finish. Let's do slingshot mode. There we go, locked in tight. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Three, two, one. So yeah, this is the slingshot battle set. And a rail rush battle set. That's what it is. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.